Luke, I am your father. What's up, diecast collectors? We got Star Wars B Commemorative Series Starships in this week, guys. This is a really cool case. I felt like I needed a Star Wars intro. Hopefully you liked it. So, this is the second release of this particular series, and we're going to show it to you. Let's check it out. So, something interesting is when you take the top-down view of the case. I'm not sure if there was supposed to be 6 in there or not originally. It says 5 on the box. Something else that it also has on the box, it's got an embargo date. So obviously they don't want this on the shelf. Mattel doesn't want this on the shelf before October 4th. Well, what's today? A few days after the October the 4th. So we're going to do these one at a time. And the other thing that we're going to do, guys, is I've been dying to see this Death Star made. So what we're going to do is we're going to open all 9 on this video and show you the Death Star. The first one in this box is the Resistance X-Wing Fighter, which is number 7 out of 9. Metallic definitely looks good in these ships. Here's the next one here. The Millennium Falcon, obviously. The Millennium Falcon is 9 of 9. Looks like a big hunk of metal to me. The next one in the box. The next one in the box here is Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. I think that one was in the first case too. So then there's 2 more in this particular box. Got tissue paper. Number 6 of 9 is the speeder bike. Super cool. And number 8 of 9 is the TIE Silencer. Kylo Ren's TIE Silencer. Okay, so that means that we need 4 more to make them all. So we need 3. Where's number 8? Okay, I brought them actually from the warehouse because boom. If you guys watched the first video that we did, we showed the first 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And guess what? We're going to open all these things for you. Show you a close-up of each ship. And then build the Death Star. Don't know how much goes into opening these things, but we're going to find out. There is the first one, the Naboo Starfighter. Okay guys, so here you can clearly see the base and the Naboo Starfighter that we just opened out of box number 1. And I'm going to keep opening all of these boxes. There's actually quite a bit to the box. This might take a little bit longer than I anticipated. So each box has the starship, obviously. And this one right here is the attack gunship. But each one has the box And it has a piece of the Death Star here. And ever since we got this in, I've been dying to see how it works. Boom. There's two pieces of the Death Star. And then we've got the Republic gunship. They come with cool little stands, and the metallic really makes the details stand out. Okay. There's ship number 3, the Jedi Starfighter. That's pretty sweet. Then we got piece number 3 of the Death Star. See how this goes on here. There's a certain way you assemble them. Okay, there's 3 pieces of it. It's starting to come together, guys. I'm gonna have a fleet of Star Wars here on in the picture box after I open these. We have 6 boxes left. So then the 4th model in the series, it's the Darth Vader TIE Fighter. That was always one of my favorite ships. Obviously from the first Star Wars. And then the 4th piece of the Death Star goes on like so. So now you can start to see everything's coming together. Then one of the coolest ships of all time was in box number 5. Boba Fett's Slave 1. It's kind of cool how in the light box they kind of look like they're floating because they have plastic bases that are clear. Here's Boba Fett's ship. And then we got the 5th piece for the Death Star here. I think it goes that way. I hope it goes that way. There we go. Snaps on nice. So now we have almost a complete Death Star. Oh yeah, here's one of the classics from Return of the Jedi. It was a speeder bike. That thing is so cool. I had a couple of those as the ships from Return of the Jedi, so you could have a little chase scene happening. And then we got piece number 6. Oh man. The Death Star is starting to come together, guys. This is a little bit longer than I thought it would take, but these boxes are mind-blowing to get open. We got 3 left. Take a quick gander at the last 3. We got the X-Wing, we got Kylo Ren's TIE Silencer, and we've got the Millennium. Almost there. What set would not be complete without the X-Wing? Another one of the most classic Star Wars ships ever. Man, this set's pretty cool. I wasn't sure about being all metallic, but it's definitely got a sheen to it that I wasn't expecting. There we go. There's piece number 7 of the Death Star, and we got 2 more. Got the TIE Silencer. Whoops. We did have the TIE Silencer. Like I said, these boxes are a bit unwieldy. And then some of them are actually rubber banded into the packaging. I'd love to know how many of you guys end up getting this whole set. It's kind of a cool display piece, that's for sure. Here's the tie silencer, look at that. That one right there and the Millennium are probably the biggest and heaviest of all of the models. Put those right back there. Get the piece for the Death Star. So we just got the top. Feel that it's a whole, that's an entire piece of metal there, guys. You can see the little stand is barely holding it. And then last, but certainly not least, we've got the Millennium Falcon. That is a big, this is a heavy piece of metal, guys. Check that bad boy out. See all the details glimmering. I'm gonna be honest, guys, this set is definitely cooler than I had anticipated it being. It's given me a kind of smiling from it. So then we got the last piece of the Death Star going on. Got my groove right here. Snaps together. I'm a little giggly. I just completed the Death Star from the Star Wars Commemorative Metallic Series. Got all 9 ships open. Got them right there in the background. And then you've got the big metallic Death Star. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All you Star Wars fans out there, I'm a true Star Wars fan. I hope you enjoyed it. That was quite a lot of packaging and opening. So, thank you guys. Wheel Collectors is out. We just built the Death Star.